I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going over how to change the drive tires on a Quantum power chair, so stay tuned. Changing the drive tires on a Quantum power chair is actually quite simple. The only tools you'll need is a 1/2 inch socket set and something to prop the chair up with. So here's the drive tire. This is an Edge 3. Most Quantums will have this same exact tire anyways across different models. First I'm going to prop the chair up. I have this hand jack here. You can get these from Magic Mobility, but you can use anything. You can put it up on boards, just anything to get the tire up off the ground slightly. So I'm going to use this. And now I have some room under here so that the tire can be pulled off. Next, we're going to get our 1/2 inch. I'm going to use a drill just to save time, but you want to use a 1/2 inch socket set on these 5 bolts. Once those bolts are off, the tire just comes right off. It's very easy. There's nothing else you have to do. And when you order new tires, it'll come with the hub and everything. So you shouldn't have to take this off for any reason. So now putting it back on, you're just going to line up these holes. It can be a little tricky putting it back on. But then once it's on, it'll slide on and it'll kind of stay. Then you want to hand thread these on. And then you'll come back with your socket set, or you can hand thread them to pretty tight, or if you are using a drill like me, you can just do it this way. There we go, our new tire is on, and I'm just going to drop the unit back down. This has been how to change the drive tires on a Quantum power chair. If you have any questions, or if you like this video, or you need to purchase tires, please give us a call. Please like and subscribe, it really helps us out, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.